Hey guys, this is Mona. Welcome to Plant Therapy if it's your first time, and if you're returning, welcome back. I wanted to take a little slower view of some of these beautiful plants. I posted a couple of reels that are moving a little faster for obvious reasons, but I fell in love with these cute little plants they have here. $20 for the small, and then you'll see the larger size in a moment. I love this plant and I killed it off in record time when I had it in soil. So I have half of mine to go ahead and get one of these in the little, I call them fish bowls. That's what they look like to me. And see how it does. I got a funny feeling it'll do fine. I think it's called rufabarba or rubifarba, something like that. And this Dracaena, oh my God, I can't get enough of this. Beautiful. Look at that. Looks like it's ready to come out of that pot, but it's happy. So beautiful. I love the way this one grows. So this weekend, guys, I'm heading out shortly it's Friday, by the way. I'm going to be heading out to do some more filming, plant shopping. I won't be buying anything, I don't think, if I can control my urge. So these are $14.98. They've been marked down at my Home Depot from the $19.98 price that they usually are. They're looking pretty healthy, looking good. Adansonii there, gorgeous. And then here the sun red. Some of them were a little sickly looking. I think they've been there quite a while and probably getting too much water. But if you dig around in there, you can find a decent one. I just love this. Rachel, here's your sea of plants. And this Dracaena has really it's been like catching my eye. I love that. And you know, good old jade pothos, and then there's golden pothos there to the side. They're all mixed in, looking very pretty. So these are the smaller ones. We'll go over to the larger size too in a moment. Here, Stramanthe. The variegation on some of these are so beautiful. I have mine that doesn't have as much variegation. So here are the larger bowls. And you'll see the price. I think I'm going to show you the price here, $29.98. I like the Birkin in there. It's very pretty. I even like that one more with less of the white variegation. And that they call I think it said green diamond. Philodendron, obviously, and Adansonii. I'm trying to figure out how to do that myself. Go thrift some jars and bottles and just figure out how to cut the cork. Make my own. So yeah, as you can see, I filmed this last night and I find that's the best time to go. It's not crowded. Thursday night. They're ready for the weekend. Everything's nice and clean and just looking good. And these are back. I love these. I bought myself one. I want to repot it though into something pretty. And my daughter-in-law likes it, so I may pick her up one too. One thing about Home Depot, you always have to check below. They have some real nice plants sitting down there, but you got to take the time to find them. This one is new to me, so I keep finding myself drawn to it. Look at the pattern of variegation on this. It's beautiful. Okay, guys, look out for the other videos this weekend. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching.